Hello, welcome to my web university, my YouTube channel, where you could learn a lot of computer science related topics, computing and database, operating system, programming, software engineering, all kind of concepts that's discussed here, whether it's cybersecurity like secure shell or the Linux devices or Windows versus Linux apps and utilities. There's a lot of tools, programming, shell scripting, virtual machine, database, Apache, Rocky, Linux Ubuntu, Red Hat, a lot of software are discussed here. You're welcome to just go through these videos and watch them and enjoy them. And this is just a presentation that I want to put on my a page for you to see that if you want to subscribe, the URL is https://youtube.com/@mywebuniversity. And I want to thank you in advance for watching our channel as well as your subscription. I really appreciate it. Please enjoy the videos and make some nice comments so I can help it based on your needs, and I can make improvement. If there's any thing that you need me to help out, I will do so. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.